What if there was a secret lever in your keto diet that can turbocharge your fat burning? Today I'm diving into the strategic timing of carbs on keto, a game changer for working moms looking to maximize fat loss. Stay tuned to learn how to sync your carb intake with your busy lifestyle and even your menstrual cycle for optimal results. We all know how challenging it could be to juggle work, family, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. That's why understanding when to incorporate carbs on the keto diet can make all the difference. It's time to shed those extra pounds and boost your energy levels without compromising your busy schedule. Let's begin by understanding why timing your carb intake can be so impactful on a ketogenic diet. Diving headfirst into the keto pool, you've likely heard about keeping those carbs at bay to maintain that fat-burning state of ketosis. It's like steering your metabolic ship through foggy waters, where carbs are the hidden icebergs waiting to cause a crash. But here's a twist in the tale. What if I told you that not all carbs are the icebergs that they're made out to be? In fact, when you time them just right, they're more like lighthouses guiding you to efficient fat burning, improved energy, and a diet that you can stick to without feeling like you're in dietary jail. Now, imagine your body as a high-performing car. Ketosis gets you cruising, but carb timing, that's like turbocharging your engine on demand. Especially during high-octane periods of your life. Think intense workouts or those days when your schedule is packed as a holiday sale at the mall. And lady, syncing those carb uptakes with your menstrual cycle can be a game changer, turning hormonal ebbs and flows from foes to allies in your weight loss quest. A fascinating piece from the Journal of Physiology sheds light on this, illustrating how our bodies can become more insulin sensitive and shed fat more effectively when we are smart about our carb consumption. It's not about unleashing a carb avalanche, but strategically sprinkling them into your diet, enhancing your body's metabolic flexibility. This means you're not just burning fat, but doing it more efficiently, keeping your energy levels up and making the whole keto experience a lot more doable in the long run. So before you swear off carbs as the enemy, remember, it's not about the quantity, but the timing. Smart carb timing can transform your keto journey, making it a balanced, sustainable lifestyle that doesn't just help you lose weight, but also keeps you feeling energized and fulfilled. And who doesn't want that? So, how do you do this? With carb cycling. Carb cycling for busy moms is like finding that secret passage in the maze of weight management and energy balance. It's a strategy that understands you have a life beyond counting carbs and macros. Picture this. One day, you're powering through high-intensity interval training. And the next, you're in a marathon of meetings or chasing after the kids. Your energy needs fluctuate just as widely as your schedule, and that's where carb cycling shines as your ally. Think of carb cycling as your dietary Swiss Army knife, versatile enough to match the rhythm of your hectic life. It's not a one-size-fits-all. It's customizable, allowing you to fuel up with more carbs on days when your body is screaming for extra energy and dial down on the quieter days, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. This dance between high and low carb days ensures that you're feeding your body exactly what it needs when it needs it, without the guilt or stress of straying from a rigid keto framework. But how does this fit into a schedule already packed to the brim? The beauty of carb cycling lies in its simplicity and adaptability. Prep work is key. Think of it as setting up your week's wardrobe, but for meals. On your high carb days, align those with your family outings or workout session. Slow cooker stews, chickpea pasta dishes, and quinoa salads can be a lifesaver here. For low carb days, protein and veggies become your go-to, easily prepped in advance to avoid the dinner time scramble. Incorporating carb cycling doesn't require culinary wizardry or endless free time. It's about smart, strategic choices that fit into your existing routine. It acknowledges that as a busy mom, you're already juggling a million things. Carb cycling says, Let's make your diet work for you, not against you. It's about empowering you to manage your weight and energy levels in a way that complements, not complicates your life. If you want a step-by-step process for how to do this, download my carb cycling cheat sheet in the description. Now let's discuss timing carbs with your cycles, otherwise known as cycle syncing. Picture this: aligning your carb intake with the ebb and flow of your menstrual cycle. It's like syncing your diet with your body's natural rhythm, offering a tailored approach that speaks directly to the unique needs of working, career-driven moms on a mission to shed fat and boost their energy. Imagine the second half of your cycle, the luteal phase, where your body tends to hold on to carbs like a toddler clutching their favorite toy. This is when your body is more insulin resistant, craving energy and comfort. It's the perfect time to up your carb game, making room for more energy-rich foods that keep those cravings at bay and support your body's needs without derailing your weight loss efforts. Then, as the cycle resets and you enter the follicular phase, your body turns into a carb-burning powerhouse. This is your cue to scale back, optimize those low-carb days to maximize fat loss while your body is primed and ready to torch those calories. It's about working with your body, not against it, turning the hormonal tide in your favor. But how does this translate to real life? It means pancakes on Sunday might just be more strategic than sinful, and that bowl of chickpea pasta could be the secret weapon in your hormonal harmony arsenal. This isn't about giving carte blanche to carb load, but understanding the strategic role carbs can play in balancing hormones and supporting your fitness goals. Research backs this up, showing that women who tailor their diet to their menstrual cycle can see improved metabolic adaptability and enhanced weight loss outcomes. It's about harnessing the power of your hormonal cycle, turning potential pitfalls into pathways for success. So, to the supermoms navigating boardrooms, soccer practices, and the daunting world of dieting, consider this your invitation to cycle sync. It's a strategy not just for your diet, but for a life lived in harmony with your body's innate wisdom. Integrating strategic carb timing into your daily routine might seem like choreographing a ballet in your kitchen. Every step, every twirl, meticulously planned. First, let's start with the cornerstone of your strategy: preparation. Just as a gardener preps the soil before planting, prep your meals with a focus on when you'll need those carbs the most. Planning ahead ensures that you're not caught off guard, reaching for a carb-heavy snack when a protein-rich alternative would serve you better. It's like having a map in a treasure hunt, where X marks the spot for perfect carb timing. Next, consider your workout routine as the golden hour for carb consumption. Post-exercise, your muscles are primed to absorb these nutrients, transforming them into a recovery gold rather than extra baggage. Think of it as refueling your car after a long journey. Your body needs the right kind of fuel at the right time to keep running smoothly. A protein shake with a banana or a sweet potato can be your best ally, providing that quick, efficient energy source your body craves. Listen to your body's cues. Some days you might feel more drained than usual, a sign that a little extra carb boost could be in order. On these days, a modest increase in healthy carbs can be just the ticket, helping you stay on track without derailing your progress. It's akin to adjusting the sails on a sailboat. Sometimes you need to change direction to catch the wind just right. Lastly, log your food for at least a few weeks. Tracking what you eat and how you feel afterward can provide invaluable insights, helping you fine-tune your carb timing for optimal results. It's like being a detective in your own nutritional mystery, piecing together clues to discover what makes your body thrive. By weaving these strategies into the fabric of your daily life, strategic carb timing becomes not just a concept, but a practical, empowering tool in your wellness arsenal, driving you towards maximum fat burning efficiency with every meal. Have you tried tweaking carb intake on your keto journey? What changes did you notice? Share your experiences in the comments below. Now, are you ready to kickstart your journey with strategic carb timing and truly optimize your fat burning efficiency? I've got just the thing to help you navigate this path with ease and confidence. Introducing my exclusive carb cycling cheat sheet, your ultimate guide to seamlessly incorporating this game-changing strategy into your daily routine. Download your copy in the description below. Now that you know about the importance of carb timing on keto, in the next video, I'll reveal how you can master carb ups on keto without spiking your insulin. I'll see you there.